Hi, welcome to Crafts at Home, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make an eco brick. Eco bricks are made using an empty 2 litre cool drink bottle. Take the label off and pop it inside, and then you start to fill them using various bits of plastic waste which you have lying around the house. So just to give you some ideas here, I've just got a wrapper from some crackers, I've got the label off a bottle, I'm a sewer, so I've got violin strips, and I've got little bits of plastic that I've used for cutting out stencils and sweet wrappers. These you start to fill the bottles up with, and the idea behind these bottles is that we're going to make them into bricks that can actually be used in a building. So once you start getting a few more into your bottle, you've got quite a few pieces of plastic in there now. You're going to take a stick and you're going to start to press these down. We want to compact these as much as we can into the bottle, making sure that we push them right down into the corners here. They need to be filled. And you're going to continue doing this, putting all these small bits of plastic. Make sure that they're clean though. Don't put something that's got food residue on there that might go moldy. You're going to fill your bottle up with all this plastic waste until it actually is fairly hard to the touch. When you're touching it, it's actually got no give. Pop the lid on, and then if you have a collection point in your area where you live, then you can hand it in. If not, let me give you some idea what can be done with these. Eco bricks are used in South Africa to actually build buildings and to build things like raised food gardens in poorer communities. So they would take several of these eco bricks, lay them side by side and on top of each other so that you've got them stacking up like this. Cement them together to create the vegetable gardens. We have a very beautiful waterfront called the Victoria and Alfred waterfront, and down there at the aquarium they've got lots of examples of what you can do with eco bricks. And the latest project at our waterfront is actually doing a floor in a new building, just using these eco bricks as a base and then filling in with concrete. So they've really saved on using concrete, and it's one of the greenest buildings in our country. So we've got that to be proud of. But please consider the waste that you're throwing away, especially if you're in lockdown at this time and your refuse removals aren't as frequent as they normally are. It's a good way to save pollution, plastic getting into the seas, damaging marine life. And please also Google eco bricks and see some of the beautiful things that can be made. They actually really do look spectacular. They don't have to be ugly things. There are lots of websites which will show you how to build various projects, and it's a wonderful way to recycle. Thanks for listening. It's something that's dear to my heart, and I will see you on one of my other videos. We're doing a craft this time. Bye for now.